Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Azure Flute is in your key items because without it nothing works. Once done, make sure you can reach Spear Pillar. Progress through the story until MT Coronet is accessible. Save the game in a fresh slot and check your party. Stock healing items, status cures, and a Pokémon that can handle level variations. Do this now so the next steps are immediate. It prevents wasted travel if something is missing. You climb to the very top of Spear Pillar and position your character on the central tile. This exact spot triggers the sequence. Next, open key items, select the Azure Flute, and choose to play it while you stand there. This activates the summit event. Pay attention because the camera and music change, and a scripted encounter follows right away. Make sure to have control over your team. Once the sequence ends, you'll transition directly into the battle or interaction. You proceed to weaken the target without knocking it out, aiming for a safe capture strategy using status effects and mid-range Pokeballs. Once the encounter ends with capture or completion, save right away to lock progress. If the event does not trigger, reload your pre-event save, double-check the Azure Flute is in key items and that you are on the Spear Pillar Summit tile. Then repeat the activation. This retry step resolves most failures. It's the one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.